In this module, we'll first explain how identifying groups of observations within data allows to improve your business efficiency. Then we'll explain how to create those groups in a business-oriented and actionable way. We'll take concrete examples to illustrate the different concepts we'll cover. Finally, we invite you to replicate those examples thanks to the recital provided at the end of the module. It's important to understand that we won't be focusing on the technical or statistical details of the data analytics tools we'll be using during this module. We'll use those tools as a means to produce results that we'll analyze and try to make actionable. When you're using a car, you don't need to understand how the engine works to drive it to your destination. It's a means to achieve your objective to go from a point A to a point B. Our approach will be exactly similar. We'll use some tools, just giving the intuition of what's their purpose, but we won't describe all the parameters of a function or cover all the hypotheses needed for the statistical model to work. Instead, we'll focus on 1. How to come quickly to relevant statistics, and 2. How to interpret those results and make our conclusions actionable in the context of the business case we are trying to solve. What does finding groups within data mean? Finding groups within data aims at distinguishing observations in your dataset that are similar from those that are different. Why do we want to find groups within data? The objective is to find the right balance between similarities and differences. On the one hand, we want to treat similar cases in a similar way to benefit from economies of scale. But on the other hand, we want to treat different cases in a different way to improve your action's effectiveness. And when you're trying to find the right balance between economies of scale and customized, effective actions, what you're actually trying to do is to improve your business efficiency. That's exactly how you need to see it. Finding groups within data may look like a technical exercise at first, but its final purpose is to be instrumental in maximizing your business efficiency and helping you solving problems that are fundamentally business ones. For instance, imagine that you're a supply and logistics manager who is willing to organize his company's stock management more efficiently. Or imagine that you're an HR manager and want to see whether there are patterns in the behavior of the employees leaving your company. A third example could be that you are a product portfolio manager willing to understand better how to serve your customers. In all those cases, finding groups within data will allow you to allocate your effort more efficiently. 1. By leveraging synergies between cases that are similar, and 2. Allocating specific resources to different cases if needed in order to maximize your effectiveness.